What I do,
Bruh.
baby? Chopping off today in this video. The dreads, they gotta go. I look crusty, I look dusty. Look at me, disgusting. Can't go out like this. Not feeling it anymore. So we're chopping off today. Hope you guys enjoy it. My audio was out, so that's why I have to do this quick little voiceover. But yeah, basically I'm just saying that this junk gotta go. It's disgusting and crusty, and I can't do it no more. So sorry to let everybody down, but I don't care because I'm bringing myself back up. Okay. Yeah, got a little inches, so I ain't gonna be too bald. But let's just jump right into this video because my audio is back. As you all know, I'm reckless. I was just gonna use some regular scissors, but I was like, girl, don't jack yourself up. So I went and got some shears from the beauty supply store. This is what they look like. Alright, this is what they look like. They feel a little dry, not gonna lie. So we're gonna put some oil on them. So I'm not a professional, so please spare me. Why isn't it focusing, bruh? Like, it doesn't want to see me be great. I'm not a professional, so please don't flame me in the comments. This is just what I do. This is just what I'm doing. So mind your business. Just enjoy what is being brought to you today. Don't try to, you're doing it wrong. I'm also minding my business. You should try it. Let's start, shall we? You don't understand how excited I am. What really made me want to chop off again was I seen this, I got the password to my Snapchat. It was very old. I haven't been on Snapchat since like high school days. And your girl done seen her hair when she big chopped, when I last big chopped 3 years ago. And I was like, oh, you a cutie patootie. And then I also want to chop off because this ain't it. Clearly, I look homeless. 1, 2, every time I chop off to grow it back. I never chop off to enjoy it, so that's what I'm doing. So let's do the first one. Oh my god. I'm also gonna be filming I'm in the middle of doing a TikTok. So if you wanna watch that, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok and all that good stuff, alright? This shitty ass scissors. What the fuck are these? Hurry up and cut, bro. That shit hurt. It's hanging on by a fucking thread. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? That shit hurt. Cut. It's hanging off by one little.
Bruh.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh. Listen, these scissors, they're ass cheeks. They suck ass. I'm gonna use these scissors. I was about to use these bad boys, but this is fabric scissors, and I don't think I should do that on my hair. So, but I did chop off one. Looks disgusting. Never again. I can't believe I'm freaking doing this. I like this middle one, so we're gonna move on to the next one. Zeus, shut up. Dang, I had so much buildup. That's sick. Oh my god. I'm really doing this, bro. I got a little length. I got length. Don't play with your girl, okay? Bald where? Bald who? Me? No. Sorry, sweetie. Wrong person. This barely was like getting to the point of locking, so we're just gonna cut that off right there. This was like acting like a little turd monkey. It acted like it didn't want to lock. There's no going back now. That's the thing. I think I'm gonna save these because these are cool. There's no going back. I can't turn back now. Look at, I look like a fucking turd. Nasty but classy. Oh, break it back. Okay. Another reason why I want to chop is because I put Beijing on my hair. If y'all know what Beijing is, it's like a henna dye. It's only powder and water. And that job do not live, and your girl want to experience coloring it. So this is my natural hair color, just dusty brown. My hair looks so dry because when you have dreads, you can't really condition that often, especially when you're first starting, because it would make it harder to lock. But I can't wait to deep condition this thing. When I was a loose natural, I used to deep condition all the time. This one was my worst dread. I fucking hated it. It was disgusting. I look like a fucking turd. I look like a turd. I can't believe I'm just like sitting here cutting my hair. I'm not even crying or anything. I'm just like, yeah, bitch, cutting it off. Okay, I think that's good. This one was pretty thick, and now if all of them could look like this one, I would have been very happy. But they were all different sizes, and I ain't like that. I ain't like that at all. Ooh. Oh Lord, did you hear that? And people are like, why don't you just comb it out? Like, if you knew what I went through with these dang locks, first of all, I started them, didn't like them because I did them, like the original size was 72 locks. Didn't really like them because after I did the finger coils too, they started to look a little crazy. I'll insert pictures. And then a week later, I took those down and I redid them half the size of each one. So then I ended up with like 144 or like 150 or something like that. And then like 2 weeks later, I didn't like how, because I know that when your locks mature, they get thinner as they grow. So I was like, I want thick locks and I know these are gonna be skinny. So I combined those locks that I had back into the one, back to 72. And I went like a long time without getting a retwist, and there was a lot of cutting I had to do in the roots because it was getting matted. It was just a whole lot. So the foundation was already fucked up. See, in this one, like that's how you know. Like these were the two that I had, and then I tried to combine them. I tried to combine them back like this, but these were struggling. These two were struggling to lock back together. It only locked up here. So this is what it was looking like, and I was like, bro, I look like a turd. So I had to cut. I'm so happy I'm cutting this shit off. My hair looks like this right now. Like I'm not a dry head, okay? My hair looks like this because it hasn't been done or conditioned or none of that in a hot minute. Like deep condition, like how I usually do, detangled and all that. So yeah guys, this is my life. Welcome to the journey, okay? Okay, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna cut the rest off camera because it's pretty repetitive, all right? And I'll be back when I'm done, okay? Whoa, how you doing there, buddy? All right, okay guys, so chopped off, big chop. This was looking like a little fro. I tried to even it out as much as I possibly could. I said I wasn't gonna use these, but I did anyways because it was looking uneven. I had to comb it out and try to get it as even as I can because I don't have clippers and nobody got time to go get some right now. Probably gonna order them off Amazon. So don't mind that part. It looks kind of freaking retarded, but I'm about to go wash my hair, deep condition the heck out of it to try to bring the curls back to life because I haven't had curls for 4 months. Oh my god, I'm bald. Still sexy though. Alright, so I'll be back with the finished look. Hopefully, if I like it. If I ain't like it, then I ain't gonna be back, okay? Alright. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I had to put some lashes on to jazz it up, but focus. Okay, I'm gonna put you down because you're gonna get me hot. You're gonna get me real hot. Alright. This is the big chop. Get into it. I try to make it as even as possible, so it might look a little uneven. So don't worry about that. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to like this video. If you want any motivation on chopping off, it's only hair. And stop being a pussy. Bruh. Point blank period. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want a tutorial on how I get the curls, comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.